Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. In today's video, I want to show you how to earn online daily by watching video ads. How to earn online daily by watching video ads on your phone. Start making money online now. What is video ads? Video ads is short form of video adverts. Now, whenever you are on Facebook or Instagram, there are several adverts that do comes to our way. They pops out, and some of them we discard them, and some of them we will take our time to watch them. But either you discard it or you watch it is what you can't control. It keeps on coming and coming and coming. For those of them that you watch, you can end up buying or purchasing the goods or the services being advertised here. So, by so doing, the owner of the company, of the advertisement company, or the owner of the goods and products being advertised, they make money through you on daily basis, and nothing will be remitted to you at the end of the day. But in this video, I will be showing you how you can start making money by watching video adverts. So you have been watching adverts on your Facebook, on your Instagram for free over the days. But right now, you watch adverts and you make money from it. So everything that you just need to do is to have a smartphone, which I believe majority have, but it's more of reliability to us than an asset. So I will be teaching you how to turn your phone to an asset by watching video ads and start making money online now. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that you can know how to get it done step by step. Before I proceed, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic BIZZTALK. Okay, Lasogenic BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment. That is, I review online investment platform here and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision, because here I only give financial education, I don't give you financial advice. For that reason, you are expected to do your own due diligence and research before you venture into any of the business here, into any of the content being shared here, because you must be responsible for your action. All right. If you are new here or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Turn the notification bell to all so that you'll be continually aware whenever I drop new training video like this. And if after you have watched it, you discover that it's very meaningful and very useful, then please like this video and share with your friends and family. Okay, so back to the business of the day. What we are sharing. What I'm sharing with you guys today is how to earn online daily by watching video ads on your phone. Start making money online now. So now the first thing for you to do is to download this app. You are going to register. So don't worry, I get you covered. In the description box of this video or in the Telegram channel, and you can also chat me up, I will be dropping the registration link so that you can register and download this app, because there are several scam apps there. So you just need to be careful. So this is the app. It is called Fire VIP app. Fire VIP app. So after you have successfully downloaded it, you run through the registration process and make sure that your registration login details are kept in a very secure place. Okay. So then you open it. You can make millions daily with this platform. And people have been making money online from it, and I also am a living witness. So I'm going to show you how to get it done, how you'll be making money with this, and I'm going to initiate another withdrawal right now in today's video for you to know that truly we are making money here, and this is mainly for business. Okay. Now, after you have successfully downloaded the app, the next thing for you to do is to subscribe to a particular advert machine. You come down here, you click on this, sorry, you click on rent here, click on rent. So there are several advert machine there. We have art machine, several art machine. We have the least one is A level art machine. That one costs 4,000 naira. So it costs 4,000 naira, and with that you'll be making 600 naira daily, 200 naira in cash, and 400 naira in NFC. NFC is a token, is a cryptocurrency that will soon be launched by this website, and also you can also convert some of the daily ones that is being given to you. You can convert them to naira and withdraw it out. So in B level art machine, it owns you 14,400. Initially it was 16,000 naira, but right now it's now 14,400 for you to rent it, and you'll be making 851 naira daily, and in total you'll be making 932,064. That is almost a million naira. So they said the C level art machine costs 38,400, and here you'll be making 2,256 naira daily, and in total you'll be making 2,470,320 naira. And the D level art machine costs so it costs 158,400 naira, and in total you'll be making 10 million naira, 441,920. The next one costs 318,000 naira, and you'll be making 22 million naira, from it. And the last one costs 58,000 naira, and you will be earning 69 million naira, 379,200 naira from this platform with this particular F level art machine. So this is an opportunity for you to change over the course of things, to make money online. Start watching video adverts and start making money online. Enough of you watching video adverts on Facebook, on Instagram, without you getting a reward for it, without you having a penny from it. So this is an avenue whereby you can start making. I personally have been making money from this, and I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof. So let me come to mine here. So right now you can see, congratulations, get package for top up, 40% cash reward for top up. So this is another promo. So we are also in a promo time. You can enjoy 40% discount from your top up. Okay. So right now in my balance, you can see I have 5,153. So this is the daily NFC that I received. So I can sell this one now. So I'm going to sell this one right now. Sell to the platform. Listed for naira, confirmed, sell. So right now I have 5,186. You can see that it has changed to 5,187. So now for you to make money to watch video ads, you need to come to this place. You click on home, then today's unarrived revenue. So I will need to click on start now so that I can watch the video advert for today and make my money. So I will need to click on to be started. So you can see that it's now running. So this is the advert that I just need to watch and see. This is the advert. Many of us we do watch this on Facebook on daily basis, and we are paid. We are not paid for it. So that's just it. You can see they are advertising a car. Wow, it's a very beautiful car. You can see that. As well, so it's still in progress. 68% completed. So let me wait for it to be completed. So 83, 85, 86, 88, 90, 91, 93, 95, 6, okay, 98, 100. So it's now completed. So I have 200 naira cash and 400 NFC. 400 NFC. Confirm. So you can see today's extra revenue NFC 400, and today's advertising revenue 200 naira. So let me go back to mine so that it has to check if it has reflected in my account. So you can see now I have 5,387, 5,387, and the income for today I have earned 518 naira 89 kobo for today. So that is how to make money from this. You can also invite your friends and family to join you so that you can also make money through the referral commissions. Okay, so right now let me withdraw 5,387. Withdraw this 5,387. I can withdraw everything. So I've said all this before. So click on withdraw. So service fee 18% will be deducted from it. Okay, I will need to confirm. Okay, withdrawal request successful. Okay, can withdraw once per day. Can see it has been withdrawn, and now I have 43 kobo there. So let's go to with account details. So you can see I have been making money from this platform. This is how I've been making money on daily basis. So withdrawal fee, I'm withdrawing 25,000 plus now, but 969 will be deducted from it. So withdrawal record, let's see. Can see my withdrawal record 5387 5711 6000. This is what I have been making from it. And I want to tell you that several people have been making millions from these. Millions. They are withdrawing millions on a weekly basis. So you can also give it a try. Just do your own due diligence before you jump in, and make sure you invest what you can afford. All right. So thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Thanks for your time, and meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.